Guys, new look today for me. I put my hair into two pigtails because I have a wig. I have a wig that I'm going to put on today for you guys. This is an absolutely beautiful unit so far that I got from Amazon. And obviously it's summertime, so you know the light hair has to come out, at least for me. So yeah, I did have a previous blonde wig, but this one is blonde highlights, and I'm going to apply it for you guys today. Wig is straight out the box. I personally don't wash my wigs before I wear them. I don't feel like there's really a need to. All wigs have a wig smell to me, so, but this one's fine. But all I did do though is I did take my blow dryer and just blow dry the wig, and just pushed some of the roots back. And to me, the lace on this thing is absolutely beautiful. It seems like a very thin lace. So yeah, it shouldn't take me long to apply it, though I never applied a wig before on camera. But I already again had my hair braided, of course, and I took my rubbing alcohol and already made sure my hairline is dry and free of oils. I'm just going to pin these two pigtails down. I'm going to try this new lace glue that I got from Amazon. Now typically I'm a bold hold girly, but the price, I don't remember how much I used to pay for it before, but on Amazon, when I last checked, it was like $25, 2 ounces or less. Yeah, so I'm gonna try this Amazon glue and let you guys know what I think. So yeah, let's go and apply the wig. Okay guys, let's get into it. I have my wig slightly pinned back, and we're going to cut the lace into 3 sections and start applying the glue. Remember, the key is to use very thin layers. Okay, so first layer of glue is down, and we're going to allow that to dry. Now I smiled like an idiot there because I had the nerve to start fanning myself when I have a portable fan to use. Alright, so the first layer dried down pretty quickly. Now we're going to apply the second coat and allow that to dry until clear. Going to adjust your wig as needed and apply glue to all the sections. Make sure it is in front of your hairline if you want to keep your edges. Alright, now that I have 2 layers of glue on, it's time to tie it down. Alright, so the lace band has been on my head for at least 10 minutes, and it should be almost dry. Alright, now for the moment of truth. Please don't be ugly. Please don't be ugly. Alright, now she is looking pretty good. I did not put any glue on my sideburns because I don't want to rip them out. I'm just going to go back in off camera and apply some holding gel. There was a little hard piece in the front and it was annoying me so bad, but no worries, we're going to get that out later, you'll see. Alright, now here's the important part, cutting the lace. I'm going to try to zoom this in and make this as detailed as possible. Now, first thing, you do not want to cut your lace off in a straight line. You basically want to cut it at a jagged edge. You want to carefully weave your scissors in and out to mimic a natural hairline. As you can see, the wig would not let me be great here. It kept falling into my face. Not very demure at all. If this happens to you, cut the lace closer to the hairline so that you can properly see. Okay, we're going to speed up this part here. I was really trying to do my best to cut the ear tabs off, but it was really hard for me to see. So now we're on the other side and we're going to do the same thing that we did on the first side, weaving the scissors in and out to mimic a natural hairline. So now that the lace is all cut off, we're going to make sure that it's to our liking, pulling forth any baby hairs. And yes, I was loving how it looked so far, and I figured that it was time to celebrate. Looking good, hey. So now I'm going back in with my glue and touching up the parts that I missed. Thank you guys for watching this video. Would you purchase this wig? Let me know in the comments below. don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Okay, bye.